Hi everyone, I've got this absolutely fantastic opportunity on this fantastic, lovely sunny day to show you this beautiful and well presented 3-bedroom property situated in the heart of Monton Village. Starting at the front of the property, we've got our driveway, we've got off-road parking, and then coming through, we've got this absolutely gorgeous property here. Living space just to the front, beautiful big windows and shutters as well there. Very nicely decorated and well thought out throughout. And then coming through into the kitchen dining space, got ample storage there. And this fantastic downstairs toilet, again very lovely decorated. Dining space and kitchen here. Integrated appliances, oven, hob, fridge, freezer, microwave, and dishwasher there, all integral. Great space. And then we've got some patio doors here leading us to this lovely garden area. The property is very well presented throughout and is coming to the market chain free. Absolutely beautiful, laid over 3 floors, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. One of those which we've just seen on the ground floor. Got 2 bedrooms on the first floor and our family bathroom on the first floor also. And then on the top floor, we've got an absolutely fantastic master bedroom, ensuite and storage room as well. So coming back to the front of the property and up the stairs to the first floor, we've got one of our bedrooms here. Very good size. Again, very well maintained. Absolutely beautiful throughout. Ideal first time buy, family home, and again with walking distance into Monton Village. You are in the heart of it. Got a fantastic local array of shops, restaurants and bars, all within walking distance. Fantastic local amenities and schools. So this is the family bathroom, which is a 4-piece suite. Again, absolutely beautifully presented. And then we've got our second bedroom, which is overlooking the front of the property. Very nice size. Again, perfect family home. So that completes the first floor. Now going up to the second and final floor, we have this absolutely stunning master bedroom. Gorgeous. Loads of that bright natural light coming through, as we can see here. Got some storage space just to the left there as well. And then further storage, which is closed off here, which could be used as a walk-in wardrobe. And then completing the top floor is this beautiful ensuite, very large shower there, very nicely done. Again, we are situated in the heart of Monton Village. Property is coming to the market chain free. We would highly request a viewing on this one. If you are interested, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.